nyanso kuba kwata wo machi wachina Ghana Blasters team no ebe bobo no yewura bedika no mo ahia na wo mo ball bonum no ensem ba ko mienu bi wo mu a omanfo pemu ati pa nti atwem ye nua Atakorah Kofi Atakorah sports a journalist ewa ha kasebo yimu obeboaye na yetie ensem ba ko mienu mu ye nua Thomas Partey ono ne ho nsem da so dindindin a yete se Canada ban so wo ma ne kwan ema no enwura wo man nim no akwesi aka ne bi kura amayem Kofi Atakorah nsem se de mo na modom suko metimi am ye hunu asem no kura ne se frase se ene ba bi a ya beduri fa Thomas Partey ehun
kumani we de medase maminchia one wetiefo because voice no peculiar to another program
intense wa
program we de my voice enyama so but mesro mo say ya mo fa nche me say brofo no bem kakra we de mesra
ene brofo ya no abomode no breaking it down
mati kumani the question I obusa me no in relating to Thomas Partey no ye nyina enim say Ghana your midfield dynamic bako ojina yemfinfin ho a at least utimi say there is that boost of confidence your midfield yeah transit to attack so Thomas Partey the last time I call Qatar na ye kwakwo so ye modem ahwe no nya kwan ekoye this time round ye qualify so was say nya kwan eka ho eko to add up no last time in Qatar unim say ne exploits and the Ghana call the World Cup obekai our game against Nigeria the Mashawood Abiola Sports Stadium. It was Partey in a strike a thunderbolt target bia itiminya yen first goal man Nigeria etse and sana eventually game no ended in a 1-1 score line itimi qualify at the expense of Nigeria. So Thomas Partey there in the history of Ghana football kumani you will be eka and we will need him on any day, especially say or you fit na ye call World Cup day you be here Thomas Partey. Now the woman said okobon ball Arsenal.
Okay.
Arsenal hono. And na ye dey ato no so say 7 counts of rape and 1 count of sexual assault. Which let's say 7 accounts just say
mame moa just omo de kwadu ahodo makomakonso ato no so say wakoto enipa bi no mona
oba mona
wakohye obi ne nada
na baako enso ye sexual assault
ese enam no waye ayakayaka de amumuyode atia obi
e betima ka say sexual assault ni say wo pese onu obi ko empem agro na wone ya obeye no eni nipa esu ebabura that is sexual assault. So the woman said me na ka say on the 27th of June 2027 the Southwark Crown Court in London when you could see the final hearing.
What's the date in that bay?
27th June 2027.
Oh, okay. Not just a young
yes. Southwark Crown Court in London.
Okay.
When we say you best start to World Cup na yetete say the England national team etimu pone say you best start ball na omo chia omo nchia Thomas Partey. Enukoguye. And na yesabete say Black Stars free US across Canada. Only one person and I went me anya the access from US to Canada. Inti the minister
Thomas
Partey, yes. The Minister of Foreign Affairs. Okujeto Ablakwa intervene and na court ya na omo discuss the possibility say ye be man visa. So me no ka say court nyamva verdict bi am my say obetimi akọ anaso otimi nkọ because so many people and also say you the visa man but obetimi agire fudie so aka say for now there and court tenase issues be say backed by letter from the court or letter from the camp of Ghana
and I say be the Canadian government
and I say the Ministry of foreign affairs ye ukuje to abla kwa dano omo na omo de official communique beba me no ka say there is no communique so ye be say for say for now there omo hold on e bia e that na no ombenya the accurate and the concrete information na de on
edi wa yenhwe ono no ne maye mu no said na wo kan say obi a chese mu odu e wo mfimfin ho pa wa nyamu kwan a yenhwe sinto bi ho a e ba na
Kumani say wa nyamu kwan dia is going to be a big blow for Ghana. Big blow because yenim say okọ akunsin a ubehia u players are one or more experience or more exposure omudi hu ton omudi no ehu eto opponent ne so
and no crazy aboade hu na we ne bom
yes enti uhwemu Ghana ye players a nanka omudi ede ayem hye to opponent so aye Kudus
okay
Semenyo
okay
Thomas Partey
okay
Dede Ayu these 4 players
okay
omudi aye threatening to opponents
okay
one yenya Kudus because we pray enti akwa kamiensa Semenyo Partey ene Jordan
okay
enti se Kudus free mu a edin a ye bedi di ho anase edin a opponent ebetimi asuru akabienu
Partey
which is Semenyo ene Jordan
so Partey nko ye say onya hu ne gina bre
and so question abuza me na me chechiem no ensusanso no
okay
enti o kwa akon na yemfa ne say weapon kese pa mienu enko bia edin
yes wa ho den abafom
but the woman say about the saying no nanka it should serve as an example and as an opportunity to be obey the shoes of third party on can chere Ghana for say Partey ni ho a
me wo ho omo nkyere me hwe na boaye yi me na mante ase yi a Canada mine pa no omo say Partey na asemi hu die pa ntina omo mane nko manimu asem ne popa no ene say asem no das asendibia a omugusu a omudie nyesa nti Canada mine pa omo sesei
me pacho Canada immigration refugees and citizenship act no e kire say se opese ura Canada asase so na uye nipa yetimi de tabo abawo de
ana de sobo ato
ana sobo abawo de uni akonya se ode wo nan esi Canada asase so
na se ho ne de ye wo emram no ye say ye competent of court jurisdiction endi wasem ma ye nka se udifo na udibi ma obi antimi nka se udifo o ye ka se wo ye innocent e ho ne de sa mra na mse bi nya adwuma ho
omo say the moment I be red flag you no the moment na you be body say
wakoye
why assume si say enti ye hia court no say yakohwehwe ma wie say hwehwe mu wie omo mra mu no oni akonya say so
ba Canada man yo ene
asam kro na so no USD almost say the sobo bo ni ehwehwe mu hunu asam no pomasi bire a
omo pronounce guilty em say US the Ghana system no the same
okay
and na me kan sa angle no na me kasa free because say asem ye suspect until say court of competent jurisdiction ebe pronounce guilty say what the for e wo asem we so bo we ho no obia wakum nipa mpa ye say wunkun no
yes
you say you prove beyond reasonable doubt what you say entino na ye kam say Canada ho de em say sa in law perspective na nyadwuma
omo say Jack the moment na be red flag
as a prejudicial statement say yedi kan bua ofo mpo dada
omo kire say ya hwehwe asem say hwehwe asem the moment na ukumani be ka kire amanfo say me Atakorah uhia no court no me chance a block
yo yɛnyɛ ne kagya bie na yɛmfa nkonko nti yɛhwɛ ɛnɛ no wɔkyena deɛ biribia bɛtumi asesam ɛwɔ mmara no afam sɛ akugya tom asom nti yɛbia na nsesa bi aba Thomas Partey ɛbɛnya mu kwan na kɔsi akan no bi ama yɛne Panama a ɔho ɛna bɛgyina wɔkyena nwummerɛ du baako wɔ Ghana ɛmam yɛyɛ berɛ no saa na bɛsi meboa yo yɛda ase nti Kofi Atakorah ɔyɛ sports journalist